zoning is an important thing to check up front when you're looking at property or intending to use acquired property for, and when I say property, real estate, acquired real estate to carry on business. Every locality will have zoning ordinances in place that say this type of land in this area or this specific land can be used for this function: residential, commercial, industrial, some mixed use or specialty use there. But bottom line, you need to check these ahead of time because nothing is worse than having a halt put on your business or in effect being told you can't carry on business because of ordinances that are in place at the time. Now, these zoning ordinance, even if a locality is zoned for a certain type of activity, the ordinance can still put limitations on the type of use, the structural limitations for any businesses or edifices built on the property. It can even limit things as specific as the number of employees that can be in a location, the traffic flow of the location, what type of signage you can have out, etc. So it is extremely important to make yourself familiar with the local zoning laws ahead of time. Now, say you have a perfect location and you wish to carry on business there, but it's not zoned appropriately. There's a procedure called a request for variance from the local administrative board, where you basically ask that you be granted a special exception to the zoning ordinance. Now you have the burden of proof there to show that there's some net benefit and that it won't negatively affect the locality, et cetera, will be in place. So you have to demonstrate that there perhaps is a need or that it will be no burden, et cetera, or it won't run necessarily afoul of the intention for the zoning purposes. But you could be granted a variance from these rules that allow you to carry on business there. Now, again, this type of administrative change is subject to administrative hearings, so the public in general can comment on it. But nonetheless, it is a potential option in the event that you run into an issue where your property is not zoned appropriately to carry on your intended business activity.